Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the AP Art History exam. To begin, it is crucial to understand the exam's format, which includes both multiple choice and free response questions. You will need to master the 250 specific works of art, focusing on their historical context, function, and visual characteristics. Consistent practice with official materials is key to success, helping you refine your analytical skills and manage your time effectively on test day. To truly master the content, organize the 250 required artworks into manageable groups, perhaps by chronological period or cultural tradition. Flashcards are an excellent tool for memorizing essential details like artist, date, medium, and historical significance. Don't just memorize. Actively compare and contrast different pieces, identifying similarities and differences in style, function, and context. This approach helps solidify your understanding of the big ideas, connecting various art forms across history. Effective practice is paramount for the AP Art History exam. Regularly tackle multiple-choice questions to sharpen your recall of facts and improve your pacing. For the free response section, practice writing timed essays, ensuring your arguments are clear, well-supported, and directly address the prompt. Carefully review the official scoring guidelines for both the short and long essays to understand what examiners are looking for. Finally, simulate full-length exams to build stamina and refine your time management skills. On test day, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get at least 8 hours of sleep the night before and eat a balanced breakfast to keep your mind sharp. Arrive at the testing center early with all required materials, such as pencils and pens. During the exam, manage your time carefully. Allocate specific amounts of time for each section and question. Stay calm, read prompts thoroughly, and trust in the preparation you've diligently completed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.